look like a hot mess. I just loosened my braids and they're extremely probably dirty and dry. It's been like a week and a half since I last did my braids. It's looking crusty, you know. So I just went to Burlington Coat Factory around 30 minutes ago, just came back, and I got a few natural hair care products. And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, Burlington Coat Factory, natural hair.
What?
Because they do have a huge selection of natural hair products or any products for curly hair. I would say even more so than TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And I don't know why, but it's just what I've recently found out for some reason. And I have all of my friends asking me like, how does Burlington Coat Factory have these products? I usually find Carol's Daughter there or Jane Carter Solution for half the price that I usually find it at Target. Today I spent a total of $31.37. For the Jane Carter Solution product, I already bought that a while ago and that was like $6.99 or something. I'm gonna see if I can film myself on camera. It's really hard because like the shower is kind of in the corner and it's just gonna be really weird to film. I don't want to get any water onto the camera. All right, so I was talking too much, but here are the products that I got from Burlington Coat Factory. I got a total of maybe like 4 to 5 products for $31, which is super cheap. I got a hair mask, a hair shampoo, conditioner, and also a leave-in. So the shower thing didn't work out. The camera's very foggy and ends up getting out of focus really quick. But I really do like my hair when it's wet and it got so long, guys. Yeah. Wow, I look ridiculous right now. That was a fail. I tried to show you guys how I wash my hair in the shower, but apparently because my shower is in the corner of the bathroom and I can't really put the camera in a way where it's not going to get, you know, wet, I couldn't do it. It got really foggy and my bathroom is really tiny. So maybe whenever I move into a new place where I can actually show you guys, that would be a lot better. But until then, you're just gonna have to deal with me not washing my hair on camera, which really sucks. Let's talk about these two products. I wanna tell y'all right now, these are freaking amazing. I'm shocked at this because I wasn't expecting these products to work so well. As soon as I put the shampoo on my hair, the dryness just went away instantly. The honey, I feel like works really well for my hair. So now I know, I feel like a new thing is castor oil and honey. I think it works really, really well. I do have high porosity hair, which means it takes a while for the product to really get into my hair shaft and, you know, keep it moisturized. And so this really broke through that. Same as the conditioner, it worked extremely well also. This is a pretty big product size and I was recently disappointed by the curl products that I got from Marshalls or something. Like their whole line is pink. I'm not sure if you guys know who they are, but it didn't really do anything for my hair. I tried all other products and I did not see any difference. I was kind of disappointed, but if you guys have seen this product, let me know in the comment section below. It is called Natural Wonders. But now I'm gonna be using this Argani hair mask for dry and damaged hair. I already used a little bit of it, but I had to stop my process in the shower because I wanted to show you on camera. Felt like it would be like the other hair masks that I've tried in the past, like Shea Moisture or the Curls one, and they don't really penetrate my hair shaft as much as I would like it to. And this, as soon as I put it on my hair, it's just like my hair felt limp. Really hard to come by. So I'm gonna put this on camera for y'all. I'm gonna also still detangle it and just really make sure that it kind of sits in my hair very well. Again, I don't know what my hair texture is. I feel like it's between 4B and 4C or 4A and 4B. So either one of those, but basically so my hair is kind of like this. So if I wet my hair, it gets defined, but as soon as it dries, it gets kind of frizzy and like, I wouldn't say frizzy, but it gets kinky. Like it's not as defined as it was whenever it was, you know, wet and stuff. I feel like honestly, my hair has gotten a lot thicker since I've been taking my multivitamins from Sugar Bear Hair. You don't have to take specifically Sugar Bear Hair stuff. I just use it and I'm on my 4th bottle, but it's kept my hair extremely thick. So, but yeah, this is how long my hair is right now. So if I pull it, it's this long, which I think is great. I'm gonna wait a few more months though before I straighten it again and do another length check of me doing that, because yeah, the Sugar Bear Hair stuff has really been helping me. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this in for a few more minutes and then we're gonna go in and wash it out. All right, so I just finished washing everything out. My hair looks a mess. I don't want it to dry completely, but I do have my DIY hair milk with me right here just in case my hair ends up drying in the front, which it already is. All right, so have my comb. Hopefully I didn't leave anything else out so I could not have to like get back up again. But we're gonna go in with this olive oil leave-in conditioner. Again, this was $5.99. It was really cheap for all of this product in here. And I also put a little bit of this product in my hair water. I just put like a few things together and I make my own little hair milk concoction. You know, make sure that all of it is moisturized with leave-in conditioner. I'm probably gonna continue this tomorrow and like while I have my makeup on because my battery's running out and I'm just gonna redo it. It's fine. Okay, so I'm back. It is the next day because yesterday, okay, so I'm back and it is the next day and yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday. The reason why I decided to film it today instead because I just didn't want to, because yesterday I had to be somewhere and also my camera ended up dying so I couldn't film the rest of the video and I was just in a hurry. So I came back, I actually did a different hairstyle this time. I wanted to do just a messy updo, which is normally what I do on a daily basis anyway when I have my natural hair up. Like, I don't want to put in too much gel anymore in my hair. You guys saw my last video where I used a ton of Wetline Extreme Hair Gel and I don't have to use the entire thing now that I have this leave-in product. Honestly, this stuff really helps me with defining my curls without having to try too hard. Just a mixture of like water, this, and like a little bit of hair gel works a long way. And so I like this. This was like $6. Originally it runs for $17 and they do have a shampoo and conditioner at Burlington Coat Factory, which I haven't actually tried yet. But I honestly really do like these two products that I got already because this shampoo works as a really good detangler in the shower. It works as a really good hair softener and it also lathers really well. I love that so much. So it makes my hair feel extremely clean, but it doesn't strip too much of it, which I like, and it also helps the shine. I didn't really notice a shine difference because my hair doesn't normally shine anyway when it doesn't have any hair oils in it. I couldn't really base it off of that, but otherwise I do like the product. I do like the shampoo a lot. When it comes to the conditioner, I also liked it a lot. It really made my hair feel soft. It basically really worked well with my hair texture. I honestly loved it. Both of these have castor oil and made with real honey, it says. So I guess that's a good combination for my hair texture. This is how my hair looks when it's really moisturized. Like, there's like a ton of product in it, but it feels really soft still, which is great. I didn't have to use too much hair gel with this look, which I'm excited about because I hate using a lot of hair gel, but I really do love this. Next thing I want to talk about is the Argani Care Natural Hair Care Hair Mask. I started using this in the shower and I loved it, but whenever I sat down to use it, I didn't like it as much because whenever I wait even like 10 to 15 minutes after my hair, like after getting out of the shower, basically, my hair dries really quickly around the front and also in different areas, and then it doesn't really seem to take well to any hair mask that I use. So I feel like whenever I'm filming, I just have to get used to the fact that it's not gonna have the best effect on me, or I might as well not show you guys like the process of putting it in my hair because it just doesn't work as well after I get out of the shower. If you have hair like mine, which has high porosity and it's really hard for products to penetrate the hair shaft, just make sure that you use it as fast as possible. Don't wait too long because it may not take as well. I even like it better than the last hair mask that I used in my other video, which was sponsored. I like this more, just to be honest. I think it's really good and it's really soft. Even though it does have a thick consistency, I think that smells really good. But yeah, that's it for my, me using hair products from Burlington Coat Factory. They do have a lot of stuff, you guys, and they have a lot, at least in my area, they have a lot of stuff for curly hair, natural hair girls. So go ahead and take a look. I did see last time there was like one of the twisted, I think it was like Twist Naturals or something. I don't know, but I wanted to try that out, but it was actually out of stock, so I couldn't get that this time, but maybe I'll try it out next time for you guys. I guess if you guys want to see me going to more stores that have cheaper natural hair products, please let me know because I do want to try more Carol's Daughter stuff, but the regular price is just kind of too expensive for me, honestly, to buy the entire line. So I can definitely collect some from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Burlington if you guys want me to. What I'm wearing right now on my face is from Flesh Beauty and Kaja Beauty. So if you want me to do a makeup look on either of those brands, I'll probably do separate videos on each one. But like my lips is Flesh Beauty, my bronzer is Flesh Beauty, and then my highlighter is also Flesh Beauty plus Kaja Beauty. And then my lids are from Tarte, and I also put a little bit of the Kaja Beauty eyeshadow on top of it. I will be having more textured skin or slash porous skin videos coming up makeup wise and also skincare wise for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I will have more K-Beauty stuff coming out because I did purchase more K-Beauty products. So yeah, I'm just really excited for this year and I have a lot of content coming out, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.